After a long, hard work week, the best way to start the weekend is to have some mini roast bakes and some fried jacks with some ketchup and some butter and some orange peel tea. So let's make it. I have some jacks here and I've since cleaned them up nicely and placed them in some lemon water. So I'm going to rinse off these and we're going to season them up. We have some green seasoning which consists of some ginger, herbs, shanobeni, peppers, etc. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons. I'm adding some onion powder, although it has onion in it already. Some garlic powder. Some fish seasoning. Some black pepper. A little bit of Cajun. Some salt, and I will add the amounts in the description box. And 1 teaspoon of Tsp hot sauce. And we're going to mix this up. Once the bakes are resting, then we're going to fry these up. For our bakes, I'm going in with 3.5 cups of flour, a little bit of baking powder, just a tiny bit of yeast, about 1/4 teaspoon, a tablespoon of sugar, some butter, and some salt. And I'm adding no coconut in here today. If you want a coconut bake recipe, you can check down inside my videos and I have one there for you. Lukewarm water, I'm going to mix for about 6 to 8 minutes. I want a nice soft bake, so I'm mixing it a bit soft. Once it has come together, roll it up in a nice ball and place it in the bowl covered and allow it to rest until after you have finished fried up the fish. The fish has been marinating for about 40 minutes, so I'm going to coat them in some flour. I'm using some plain flour. If you wish to season the flour, if you want to try the recipe, you can do that as well, but the amounts of seasoning that I had in the fish was sufficient enough for me. I like to coat all my fish at once and put them on a plate so that when I go over to my hot oil, I can just add them in and fry them up. I like to fry these very nice and dry because the head of the fish gets so crispy, especially when some good pepper sauce gets in the head. So we're going to fry these up for about 5 to 7 minutes on each side because jacks are small fishes that really doesn't take a lot to fry. If you are enjoying this type of content and would like to see more, a good way to help support me is to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you won't be left out. Once they are fried dry enough for me, I will just remove them from the oil, place them on some paper towel to drain off the excess oil, and they are ready to be enjoyed with our delicious bakes. The bakes have been well rested and I'm going to divide them into 6 pieces and try to get them as equal as possible. And now I'm going to roll them into some dough balls. I am not making them thin because I don't want them to dry out in the oven. I want a nice golden brown exterior and inside of the bake to be nice and moist. So this is what we have now. I'm going to place them in a tray, run a fork through each one to create decorative holes, and not only decorative holes, but to prevent these little bakes from puffing up because they can puff up and the air pockets on the exterior will begin to burn. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, this is what we have, delicious bake and jacks. I serve this up with some butter and some ketchup. Thank you for watching today's episode. Make sure you subscribe, share the video, help me to grow my YouTube channel by telling a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you in another one of my recipes.